Once again, Shah Rukh Khan is coming with a big dhamaka. Ritesh and Farhan Akhtar's company, Excel Entertainment, is all set to make Dawn 3. Excel Entertainment had bought the rights of the Amitabh Bachchan film, which took place in 1978. In 2006, the remake of the film was made in which Shah Rukh Khan played the role of Dawn. People liked the film, and after that in 2011, Dawn came again in front of us. The producer of the film is quite excited to make Dawn 3, next part of the film. Ritesh has said, "We are thinking about Dawn 3. We have got idea for this and it is now being written. We will announce it in public very soon." Shah Rukh Khan is going to become Dawn for the third time, but it is not yet decided whether Priyanka Chopra will accompany him in the film or someone else.